こんにちは。Welcome to Campanas to Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write o hiragana character. Campanas to Japanese. Have you watched my quick overview video? If you haven't yet, I recommend watching it first. The link's in the description. So, o. This character consists of 3 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this. Remember, in hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. The first stroke ends with a stop. The second stroke is this one. It starts from here and goes to the bottom, then it curves up, and finally this long curved line with a sweep at the end. The last stroke is this little diagonal line with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, and 3. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page. The link's in the description. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。